The animal world. The prairie dog.
Read and presented by George Pitropogiannakis.
The prairie dog belongs to the same family as the squirrel. He is called a prairie dog because he can bark. He lives in a burrow, which is 12 or more feet deep. If all is quiet, he will come out, but if he thinks there is danger, he goes deeper. Prairie dogs can be found in America in the Midwestern states. 4 to 8 babies are born to the mother in May or June. They grow very quickly. Prairie dogs eat grass, alfalfa, and other low-growing plants. By autumn, they have grown very fat. Sometimes they go into burrows in the winter and sleep until it is warmer. The animal world. The prairie dog.
Read and presented by George Pitropogiannakis.